Hello everyone, my name is Non and today I'm going to be teaching you how to build your first table view. So basically table view is just a view component that show our list of something. For example, name of your friends. Yeah, and here is what it looks like for the output of today. So let's get started. Open your Xcode and create a new Xcode project. From here you will choose single view app and hit next, and you can name your product name whatever you want. For me, I will name it cool table view and hit next to create the project. Created. Here is the skin of Xcode. First thing you want to do is you open your main storyboard and you hit a little button here and search for table view. Drag in table view and pin it table view to the edge of the screen here, and after that you have to hit the two circle button here and drag. You hit the control drag to your view controller and name it table view, and you're good to go. Now go right to the view controller, and in order the table view to work you need to conform to what's called UITableView data source. In order the table view to show the data, you need to conform to it. You can click here and fix. So basically table view, in order it to work, you need to implement two methods. First of all is number of row. It basically means how big your list is. So let's return it 5 for example. And for cell for row, it basically means what view to be shown, which I will show you later with the custom view. So from now I'll just return table with cells. So let's start by creating new custom view first. As you can see here with the label in the middle. So let's click here, new file, hit Coco Touch Cards and name it friends table view cell, and make sure you hit the also create zip file. Next, create. There will be two files here, the zip file and nib file. Nib file is where the view will look like. So we can start doing UI here. So let's hit the circle button here and search for label. Drag in the label here in the middle, and so constrain it to center in the view. Add constraint, and the next thing you will do is you hit the here and drag in table view here. So you want to drag in the label here and name it name label, and that's all for creating the custom file or custom view in the table view. And in order to table view to work, you need to set its data source to self. Self, it means where the data came from, which is this file, so I name it self. And you want to create your data source. It's your list of your friend name. For example, John, Henry, and Jessica. So basically you have three friends, and you can set its table view to equal to the your friend name, right? With this three, and this is where you use your custom view. You need to cast it like this, table view.dq with identifier, friends cells with index part, and you return this cell. I forgot to tell you something. You need to set the identifier in the zip file here, here, and here it is. Let's go right back in the view controller. You see the error here. You need to cast it as your custom view file, which is friend table view cells. And right here you can access cannot need to save. So here it is. You can access your name label here to something like this, friend name. And last thing you need to do is you need to tell your table view to be able to use your custom file, which you will register the nickname, which is friend table view cells with the bundle new and with the identifier earlier. From here, make sure you set it the same, and you should be good to go. Hit run button, and let's see what it looks like. It will come up in a second. Yes, friend names. So here what it look like, the table view. And in order to show the correct data source here, you need to basically change the friend name here to be your data source with the part in size here. Hit run again. You will see your friend name line up here. And the other thing that I want to mention is, if you would like to tap on the each cells, you need to conform to another protocol, which is table view delegate, and implement this select row at index part. In here you can access your cells or data source by index path. For example, I want to print name friend's name here. You basically access it like that. Hit run again. You see, like after I tap on each cell, it printed. No? Oh, one thing before you set your delegate, you need to tell the table view that this file is responsible for its delegate. Here, hit run again. This time you will see that the name will print out in the console right here. Let me clean up the console. Click Jessica, Henry, and John. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoy this video, and make sure if you have any question, you can leave a comment right below. And thank you for watching.